Hey everybody, hope you're having a great day today. Today's video is how to replace an aux port on a Toyota Matrix 2009 to 2013. I'm not sure if it works for other years or for other Toyota models. That's for you to find out.
So your aux port is shittered and you have to put in a friggin' shim to make it work properly. That's not working properly. Let's replace that bitch. It's easy as 1, 2, 3.
We'll just pause the video there just in case. You might have a bit of trouble getting that center section out. There are some little tabs and they kind of like stick out a little bit, so you need to get a pry bar or a screwdriver in there just to push them in so you're able to pull that center section out.
Little tab back here to pull this cord out. These little guys on the side. Out with the old, in with the new. That's where you adjust your handbrake cable tightness if you ever need to. Done. New aux port. Throw out your old aux cables because they're probably bent and a piece of shit. If you put those back in there, that one will get messed up too.
If you found that video useful or helpful, feel free to like, subscribe, drop me a comment, or just don't. Either way, I hope everybody had a good day, and I hope that helped you out. Cheers.